adventurers! Greetings, adventurers!
Greetings, adventurers! Greetings, adventurers!
Greetings, adventurers!
Greetings, adventurers! We are out today on the St. Croix River doing a kayaking adventure, and I got the whole family with me. We just set out here. We're at Interstate State Park, Minnesota. Family came with us, rented some kayaks. We're gonna have a fun day today. It's supposed to be pretty hot. It's supposed to be up close to 100 today. It's 9:30 right now and it's 80 degrees. And we got about a 3.5 hour float ahead of us. No camping. Okay, so I thought there was a campsite here, but I guess we were wrong. It's no camping. Rock Island. Yeah, it's kind of become overcast. But as you can see, there are tons of people out here. Tons and tons of people. Popular place. I wanted to mention real quick, I haven't been doing, a lot of my last few videos have been kind of weird videos. You know, I went to the abandoned air base. I actually went up to the North Shore to do a backpacking trip for 3 days on the spear hiking trail. But when I got up there, it was 95 degrees. There was a bunch of heat advisories, and the troubles I've had with heat in my past, I thought it was the best option to maybe skip that one. So instead I went on that hike that I had wanted to do for a while at the air base there, and we've just been having some really hot weather lately in Minnesota, and I've been kind of trying to avoid it. So that's one reason why I haven't been doing, the last few videos have been kayaking and little different stuff. But I do have a trip coming up here at the end of August out to Theodore Roosevelt National Park. I'm going to do some hiking out there, adventuring. It should be a lot of fun. Alright, adventurers. We are at the Osceola Landing, which is where we're ending. So this is actually the second video I've done of this float from Taylor's Falls to Osceola Landing. It is a awesome, amazing trip, especially for like beginners or first timers. We had a couple first timer kayakers with us today and they had a great time. We're already trying to plan our next kayaking adventure. But yes, this is a fun one. There's not really any rapids. It's a nice calm float. There's a lot of cool stuff to see along the shores. There's cliffs, a big rock island, lots of cool sandy beaches to pull off on. Really just a great place to go kayaking down, hang out, have a good time. Spend some time outdoors. It is now 1 o'clock and it's getting hot. It's I think it says 85 degrees, but it says feels like 97. So, woo, the air is thick. Anyway, thanks everybody for coming with us. We had a great time. Hope you did too. And I'll catch you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.